Hi all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Evolution Careers. This is Sukumar, the speaker for this session. In short, about Evolution Careers. Evolution Careers is a training and placement service provider, skill development provider since 2013, 2013, and it has been fairly good, successful in molding up the careers of 1,000+ students across various colleges from Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Kerala, NCR region. We identify the skill sets and talents possessed by each and every individual, and accordingly we guide them, we mentor them, and we help them to build their careers in the right way according to their passions, their future aspirations and goals. This is in short about Evolution Careers, in short about me, the speaker. I hold a Bachelor of Engineering in Mechatronics Engineering and a PGDBA, Postgraduate Diploma in Operations Management. In Operations Management, I have 12 years of industrial corporate, multinational company industrial experience, 10 years in India and 2 years in abroad countries, namely Japan and Qatar. I'm into manufacturing industry, industrial automation sector since my beginning of my career in the domains of procurement, the supply chain management, and project management. So this is in short about me in terms of my professional expertise from industries, and mentoring is one of my passions. I have been advisor for this firm, Evolution Careers, in the advisory board since 4 odd years, and I have been a business consultant too on a freelancing basis, which I have both of these I had taken up as a full-time profession since 2019. This is in short about my current profession, and in addition to it, I am a verse writer, I am an author, all budding verse writer, budding author, budding lyricist, and a decent webinar speaker, industry collaborator, and much more. This is in short about me. Thanks for watching our channel, and today's topic, or this session's topic in short, what we are going to see is I am what I am. You are what you are. Yes, we are what we are. Right. Actually, what I am. Let me explain this with my own case as an example. Actually, every one of us possesses different talents, different skills, different thought processes, and aspirations. None of us are same. Yes, in certain aspects, we can match with the other person, but in general, 100% we are not same. We may be 90% same, we may be 80% same, we may be 10% same, or we may be 0% same. But that's the reality which we have to live with it, and it happens only with the human life, because most of the animals, the other species of mammals or animals, mostly they possess similar characters, and very rarely they have differences. But human nature is completely different, and yes, that's the reason we are what we are. What am I? Am I by the name I possess? Am I Sukumar? If I am not Sukumar, there could be some other name to refer me. The name can be anything else. Just because my parents had chosen me this name, Sukumar, yes, I am being called Sukumar. If they had chosen some other name like Subramani or Ramasamy or Kupusamy or Ronald or Messi, Maradona, Abdullah, Hafiz, Umar, that could be my name. Yes, that could be my name. But Sukumar is the name printed in my certificates, is the name chosen by my parents, so it's there. So I am not Sukumar. If not Sukumar, I'd be some with some other name. So that doesn't define me. Am I by the physique I possess? I'm around close to 6 inch, 6 foot tall, and medium built. Once upon a time, I was very skinny, but now, yeah, I became medium built. But that does define me by my skin, by my color, height, weight, etc. It's just my appearance. It doesn't define me. So I am a Bachelor of Engineering and a PGDBA, that's MBA by profession. So am I an engineer? If not engineer, whatever I studied, that would be my qualification. I could be something else easily. And today I can do some other course, maybe M.Ed, and I can call myself, or B.Ed or M.Ed, and I can call myself as a teacher or qualified for being a teacher. So it doesn't define me. What actually defines me? Is it my industrial work experience or my professional experience? It's a profession I do. So if not this profession, I can do hundreds of other professions. So this also doesn't define me. And coming to my hobbies, I cook fairly well. I'm a decent cook. So does it make me as an identity? Am I a cook? Maybe or may not be. Nothing wrong in being a cook. So it doesn't describe me fully. Then I am a verse writer. Yes, of course, I am not a popular verse writer, but it's one of my passions. I am a lyric writer, one of my passions. I had taken part in story and screenplay discussions with one of my friends for the movie which is going to direct. But yes, does that define me? No. I am a husband to my wife. I am a son to my parents and father to my kid. That does that define me? No. What defines me is my attitude, my character, and my behavior. These three are the aspects that defines me in total. So that's what I am, what I am. There are certain core behavioral aspects which we should not change or which we cannot change at all. It's our inbuilt nature, it's our USP. But yes, certain things which has to be changed, which has to be corrected, has to be done. If we are short of confidence, yes, we have to boost our confidence. By nature, if we are having sense of fear for everything, we have to let it go. So there are certain aspects which we have to definitely modify, but the inner core character of us, the soul of us, should not be changed. The moment we start changing it, we are gone. Yes, we are not we. I mean, I am not myself. So this is in short about I am what I am. So let's not try to imitate others. Let's build something. Let's make out something for us. If I have to be unique, I have to be unique. If I follow somebody else, if I want to imitate APJ Abdul Kalam or maybe Narendra Modi or Modi ji, Kalam ji, or maybe any CM, PM, any political leader, any film star, cricketer, or any other sports person, like the martial arts people or someone else. It will not suit me. It will not define me. I'll be faking myself. So let's not do it. Let's not Why this topic is so important is often we tend to compare ourselves with others, or we tend to compare two people, which is not the right way because those two are different. When two dissimilar things cannot be compared, so that's the reason we should stop comparing ourselves with others. We should set our own benchmarks and we should compare with that only. The benchmark set by us for us, that has to be the comparison factor. It should not be somebody else. So the moment you start comparing yourselves with somebody else, you start losing yourself because you tend to become the other person. And that's not is what defined for, because we are born for a purpose. And that's the reason why we have different skills, different levels of skills, different talents, different aspirations, and different things. So let's not disturb them and accept as we are and improve where it is needed only. Let's not imitate anyone. Let's stand for ourselves. Let's be ourselves. Okay, hope I found this. I hope I find this informative to all of you. Thank you for watching our videos. If you find these videos informative, please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share it with your friends. Thank you. Thank you once again to everyone watching this video. It's Sukumar signing off with this session, and we'll meet sooner with another session. Thank you.